let's say we have a number in base 10 and we want to bring it to base 2. How do we do that? Well, in this case, our base 10 number is 1,294. And how do we bring that to base 2? The first thing we want to do is we want to find the highest power of 2 that goes into this. So let's do that by writing out the powers of 2. So you have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, and sometimes this can take a little while. All right, 128, then we have 256, 512, then we have 1024. 1024. That's the highest power of 2 that will go into this. If we go any higher, we'll go into the 2000s, as we can see, right? And that's obviously greater than this. So, and that's 2 to the power 10. That's something we need to note. That's 2 to the power 10. Since that's 2 to the power 10, we're going to draw 11 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is 2 to the 10, 2 to the 9th, 2 to the 8th, 2 to the 7th, 2 to the 6th, 2 to the 5th, 2 to the 4th, 3rd, squared, 2 to the 1st, and 2 to the 0, or 1. The first thing we want to do, we know it's 2 to the 10. Now we want to subtract that off from this. So 1294 minus 1024. And that is equal to 270. All right? So now we take note of that. And we notice we only subtracted one of these. So we put a 1 right there. So we're left with 270. Now what's the next greatest power of 2 that goes into this? Well, it's 256, which is also 2 to the 8th. So we subtract 2 to the 8th, or 256, and we're left with what? This becomes 14. And we note we only subtracted off 1 2 to the 8th, and we skipped a 2 to the 9th, so that becomes 0. Now what's the next? It's going to be 8. So an 8 is 2 to the 3rd. So this is 0, 0, 0, 0. And then we subtract 2 to the 8th. And we're only subtract off one of them. And then we're left with 6. Now, what's the next? It's 4. Right? And we subtract off one of the 4s. Minus 4. And we're left with 2. And obviously only 1 2 goes into this. We put a 1 right there. Subtract 2. And we get 0. And we have no 1s left over. So this, not a 1, but a 0. So that's our number in binary. Now, what we want to do is we're going to take something in binary and we're going to convert it to base 10. So how do we do that? Well, let's count the digits we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. So we're going to draw 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is 2 to the 0, 2 to the 1, 2 to the 2, 2 to the 3, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 5. So we notice we only have 1 2 to the 5, we have 0's 2 to the 4, we have 1 2 to the 3rd, 0, 0, and then 1. So this means 2 to the 5 is 32, right? Then we have plus 1 2 to the 3rd, which is 8, then plus 1 2 to the 0, which is 1, and this is 41. So that is our binary number in base 10. So let's draw the little base 10 thing there. And that is our answer. Thank you for watching. Let me know if I say anything wrong or if you have anything additional to add. Have a great day.